This is a quick review of the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB or 8GB stick DDR4 RAM. Now this is rated for 3200 megahertz, and it is something I'm using in the AM4 platform on this X570 motherboard. 4 of RAM I have right here, 8 gigs a piece, 32 gigs officially. And these RAM sticks are pretty old in terms of when it came out. I think 2015 is when it came out. However, in 2024, they're working very fine in this X570 AM4 setup that I have right here. I'm using a 5800X CPU, and I was able to get this to run at full 3200 megahertz. Now, something to keep in mind is that when you set these Corsair Vengeance sticks up, they may run at 1600 megahertz, which is an issue. But we can see right here on my screen that on the memory RAM, I'm running at 3200 megahertz, and I have 32 gigs of RAM. Now, I have no issues right now, but setting it up, it may run at 1600. And for some reason, other software such as like CPU-Z or even Ryzen's own software has it rated at 1600 megahertz, which is not true. But going on 4 or 5 years of using these sticks, I have no issues, and it's done a really good job with this current technology, or at least last gen technology.